Was the Hindenburg crash an occult blood sacrifice? Seems it was a tribute to Nazi Germany as well, and Nazi Germany was just another trick played by the tribe on white people. This was a very tough one to figure out, and I had to get creative by noticing the word alchemy. LZ-129 Hindenburg was a large German commercial passenger-carrying rigid airship, the lead ship of the Hindenburg class, the longest class of flying machine, and the largest airship by envelope volume. The airship flew from March 1936 until it was destroyed by fire 14 months later on May 6, 1937, while attempting to land at Lakehurst Naval Air Station at Manchester Township, New Jersey, at the end of the first North American transatlantic journey. This airship belonged to Nazi Germany, and the date 5/6, like 56, well, in reverse full reduction, Nazi Germany is 56, just like Adolf Hitler is 56. Even Nazi Holocaust adds up to 56 and 187, like Adolf Hitler, Heil Hitler, 56. This happened 2 weeks and 2 days after Hitler's birthday, Nazi 22. You see, Nazi Germany was staged as just another trick by the tribe. It would also be 349 days before Hitler's birthday, with 349 being the 70th prime number, with LZ-129 Hindenburg adding up to 70 in reverse full reduction. So does Nazi Holocaust, 70 as well, Holocaust being a death by fire. That 349 days can also be counted as a span of 50 weeks, until Hitler's 1938 birthday, where Nazi is 50, Germany 38. Notice Hindenburg goes together with Third Reich as well. I think it was that number 129 that had a big role in the fact that Hindenburg was doomed to explode. LZ-129, explosion, 129 English ordinal, Holocaust 129. This type of airship was called a dirigible. There's a nice 57-168 overlap between the word dirigible and the name Hindenburg. Ferdinand von Zeppelin completed his first airship, the LZ-1, in July 1900. The first flight, lasting 20 minutes, was made on July 2nd, but ended up with the airship being damaged. The date of July 2nd, 1900 had 28 and 9 numerology. Flight, 28 reverse full reduction. Air, 28 English ordinal. Gas, 9 full reduction. The Hindenburg would burn 44 weeks after the 36th anniversary of the first flight of a dirigible. Exactly 44 weeks. 36th anniversary. Hitler is 36. Airship 44 full reduction. Kill 44 full reduction. The 44 weeks equates to 308 days. You can drop zeros in Gematria, so 308 is like 38. Fire 38 English ordinal. Germany 38. It was also 57 days until the 37th anniversary of the first flight of a dirigible. Dirigible 57, Hindenburg 57, Scottish Rite 57, the last flight 57, last flight 57, last flight 114, Holocaust 114. Holocaust relates to fire. The date of the crash, May 6, 1937, has 67, 31, and 48 numerology. May 6 is expressed as 5/6 or 56. It was at the Lakehurst Naval Air Station that the crash occurred. Lakehurst 56 reverse full reduction. It was outside the Manchester Township, Manchester 56 reverse full reduction. Manchester 164.56. Nazi Germany 164.56. Flames 56 English ordinal. All-seeing eye, the symbol of the Illuminati, is 56 as well. So is Adolf Hitler and Nazi Germany, as I have pointed out. As for the 67 and 31 date numerology, alchemy sums to 67 and 31. Blood sacrifice 67. Eye of Providence 67. Alchemy is exactly what was happening when the hydrogen gas burned. Apply a flame to hydrogen. The year is 1937 and flame sums to 37. And hydrogen will violently react with oxygen and thus you get fire. And the fire becomes water. This blimp was named after Paul von Hindenburg, who was the first president of the German Reich. How appropriate, as I pointed out, Hindenburg and Third Reich numerically go together. Notice he was born on a date 10/2, October 2, like 102. Hindenburg 102. Third Reich 102. If Nazi Germany was a true revolt against the Jews and not another trick by the bankers to create World War II and destroy the German people, why would this occult numeric code apply to Nazi Germany? Paul von Hindenburg died on August 2nd, 1934. He would die 61 days before his upcoming birthday, to be replaced by Adolf Hitler as a Führer. Adolf Hitler, Nazi Germany, and Heil Hitler all equal 61. He also dies with 151 days left in the year. 151 is the 36th prime number, and the value of Hitler is 36. It was also a date with 44 and 17 numerology that Hindenburg died on, matching the Gematria of kill. Look at these political puppets, always offed by the numbers. The Hindenburg disaster would occur 1008 days after the death of the man for whom the airship was named. Look at the conventional atomic weight of hydrogen, 1.008. In case you didn't know, Hindenburg was filled with hydrogen, and that's why it burned. And look at the reverse English Sumerian value of Hindenburg, 1008. Huh. That's kind of curious. The disaster was also 277 days after the anniversary of his death. And look at how Hindenburg airship is 277. Just throwing that in. Tragedy 37 reverse full reduction, like the year 1937. Water is a 67 English ordinal. 67 is the 19th prime number. Like alchemy is 67. Burn 19. For the 48 date numerology, hydrogen gas is 48 in reverse full reduction. Hydrogen 48 reverse full reduction EP. Illuminati 48. Explosion 48. Air Force 48. Holocaust 48. Supposedly it was in gas cell 4 of the airship that the fire started. 4 is 48, chemistry 48. This happened in New Jersey. New Jersey 119 reverse ordinal. All-seeing eye 119 ordinal. Fire ritual 119 and 56. The radio journalist Herbert Ogilvy Morrison, who is best known for his dramatic report of the Hindenburg disaster. His name sums to 119 in reverse full reduction. Capturing the eye of the masses. They made sure to film the explosion in all its glory, so that it forever sticks in the eye of the masses. How the guy exclaims, "Oh, the humanity!" In English ordinal, "Oh, the humanity!" is 167, just like Eye of Providence, Nazi airship, 167. May 6th, the date written out as words, is 119 in English ordinal, and 38 like fire, and 97 like death. 97 people aboard Hindenburg. Hindenburg's first flight was March 4th, 1936, and 1 year and 63 days later it would crash and burn. 163 is the 38th prime number. It was also pretty much 61 weeks as well, and I already showed the significance of the 61 number. Fire 38, death 38, Germany 38. The Hindenburg had 36 passengers and 61 crew on board, for a total of 97. Death 97 reverse ordinal, although only 35 were killed, plus 1 ground crew member. The 36 dead is interesting, as I have pointed out, Hitler is at 36. I imagine they probably expected everyone on board to die. In Freemasonry they use total solar eclipses as time references. The Hindenburg crashed exactly 46 weeks after the June 18, 1936 total solar eclipse. Sacrifice 46, chaos 46. Another total solar eclipse that was after the crash came 33 days later. Haha, 33. Or it was a span of 4 weeks and 6 days, which again is like 46. There is probably more to this. I'm thinking of the symbolism of showing the world people supposedly dying in this great fire inside the blimp, and then a few years down the road claiming that Nazis are burning Jews alive. New Jersey 124, dirigible crash 124, fire and water 124, Hindenburg airship 124, reverse full reduction EP. Fuck, even this Herbert Morrison guy, his name sums to 124 as well. Dirigible 168, Third Reich 168. You ever notice how Nazi Germany imagery is associated with dirigibles? What I'm saying is, this crash was staged as a Masonic ritual by the numbers. They filmed it for that reason, so it's remembered by the masses for the rest of time. And they got the guy with the right name, Gematria, to do the commentary, in case people didn't catch on to that. I already pointed out how 124 is a huge number with wings of redemption, and he is as fat as a blimp.